Oh, what's good YouTube? I'm right here. So today I'm going to cook some food. Like I'm going to cook bread with egg. Simple food because I'm not eating too much. I'm honestly not eating too much. And yeah, I want to diet, bro. Because a lot of food, like every food, the price is expensive as hell. Like damn, bro, I don't have that much money to buy food, bro. You know what I'm saying? So before I'm going to cook this food, make sure you like this video, subscribe and share. Thank you for supporting me. Yo, I'm back. So I'm just take a shower. Right now I have everything what I need. So I'm just open up. So alright, we have everything what we need, bro. I have a pan, you know what I'm saying, like everything what I need to make this food, to cook this food. Come on, bro. And we need to slow down, bro. Slow down. Just slow down like this, bro. Slow down. Not too much, bro. We need to put oil, bro. Not too much, bro. Don't too much, bro. Like this. Come on, faster. Okay, that's it. Like that. Okay, like that. Not too much, bro. Like this, bro. You see, bro? Watch out, bro. Oh my God. So we need to hold this thing up, bro. Come on, bro. Yeah. We have the egg, you know. We just cook the egg, bro. Come on. Just do it like this, bro. Like this is easy, bro. I can do it. Like, come on. Oh. I'm going to do this one. Shake it. Just shake the egg. Oh shit. Man, this egg is so like, what the fuck, this egg? Oh, my hand is so oily. Dang, look at this egg, bro. Damn. Oh shit. Damn. It's overcooked. Shit. Ow. Damn, look at this egg, bro. Ugh. Oh shit, I put a lot of oil on this goddamn egg, bro. And yup, after that we need to heat the bread, you know what I'm saying, and just heat the bread to make the bread like feel a little bit good. We need to heat the bread. Hit it. Come on, let's go. Just make it like this, bro. Yeah.
Still alive here. Balotelli, Aguero.
So yeah, here's the food. I have the bread, egg, and sauce here. I'm not put a lot of sauce because I don't like it. It's too much. So let's try it, bro. First bite, bro. Oh my God. Come on. Oh my God. This is slow. Let's try again. Oh my God, man. This is feeling like so good as stress. Nothing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. About this food, I'm going to like give this food like maybe 3.5 out of 10. So yeah, that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Bye.